Hi, I am Tej, and this is HICCUP. HICCUP is a dating app built especially for India, which solves the problems of the Indian users. So, what are these problems that we are trying to solve? The first insight is that most Tinder matches end as users are unable to click with each other. We solve this problem by matching on the basis of common interests and hobbies, which we get from their YouTube and Spotify accounts. The second and the most important insight is that 40% of Indian women aren't comfortable uploading photos which reveal their face on Tinder for fear of being identified, for fear of those photos being misused. We solve this problem with several photo security features. And lastly, 70% of Indian men reported that they get less than 5 matches a month. We give you 2 guaranteed matches daily. So, how does it work? You open the app, you connect to Spotify and YouTube, and we give you a date to go to that very day. It's as simple as that. There is no hassle, there is no uncertainty, there is no swiping. Our progress till now simply looks like this. We had our first prototype ready in September. We got done with the alpha testing and the UX testing in October. And in November, that just a couple days ago, we have launched our app to the Play Store. So why are we doing this now? Why is this a good time to build Hiccup? Primarily because a very large population of Indians have very recently come online due to the Geo 4G revolution and the availability of cheap smartphones. So the market needs a dating app built especially for India, especially which solves Indian users' problems. We got 2K early access requests within 4 days of launching our landing page, and we've gotten a lot of support over the past couple months from our potential users, which help helped us build a better app. Our target market as of now is the college students of Mumbai, which we aim to achieve by the end of February. And by the end of next year, we will expand to all of India's major cities. Our market size is 1.1 billion users all over the world. However, the serviceable market is the 270 million YouTube users in India. India is YouTube's largest and fastest growing audience. So, who are our major competitors? There is Tinder. Tinder was the dating app which originally revolutionized online dating. Then comes Bumble, which got big due to its women first approach. There is Isle, which is the popular dating app in India, which is mostly just Tinder but positioned for meeting your true soulmate instead of a hookup. Finally, there's Facebook dating, which is not launched yet. It is still in the phases of its testing, but it has failed in most of the countries that it has been launched, including Colombia. So, what is our customer acquisition strategy? This is something that's really important for dating apps, primarily because dating apps face the chicken and the egg problem with users. So, we're going to use campus ambassadors and social media influencers to increase our reach. And our main method of growth is organic using referrals. Users will be given 10 days of premium features if they can get 10 of their friends to sign up. Our revenue model is also pretty simple: advertisements and premium subscription. This gives us an annual revenue opportunity of $1.5 billion. So, what does our future look like for us? We are focused on launching as soon as possible. However, we are not raising money right now. We will be raising money in the second half of December, which will be used to scale up our backend infrastructure and also to hire a couple UX designers, which will help us improve the user experience. So we want all of you people to continue with us and follow on with our journey ahead as we grow Hiccup. And we shall approach you and we will be raising money in the latter half of December. Thank you.